The Asuka III, the first cruise ship newly built by NYK Cruises in 34 years, kicked off operations on July the 20th. The 230-meter-long ship has a gym that is open around the clock and a swimming pool. All 381 cabins have balconies that have an ocean view.
市民の方々、そしてお客様に愛される船に、大勢の皆様に愛される船にしたいと思っております。
The maiden voyage of Asuka III, with approximately 510 passengers on board, departed from its home port of Yokohama for a 7-day trip to Hakodate and Otaru in Hokkaido. The cruise ship market saw a significant decline during the COVID-19 pandemic. The operator hopes to expand its business with Asuka III and its other cruise ship, Asuka II.